Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today you will learn how to manage the users of your company account and assign them all the necessary roles with just a few clicks. User management is part of the administration of your company account. As an administrator, you can access the administration area by clicking on the cogwheel next to the currently selected company. The menu item Users lists all users assigned to your company. If many users are already assigned to your company, you can also use our search function to quickly find a specific user. With a click on the respective user, you will be forwarded to his license settings and user roles. For the user roles, we distinguish between free roles, green, and so-called premium roles, orange. Free roles, for example, for processing received customer complaints or tasks and actions, can be assigned to your users as you wish. To assign premium roles, for example, for our Equipment and Gauges service, you must have purchased BabtecQube Premium for your company account. You assign your booked premium licenses to your users via the Activate Premium License button. This activates all the premium roles with which this user then has access to the entire range of BabtecQube functions. You can activate or deactivate the individual roles with a simple click on the respective button. If a colleague leaves your company, it may be necessary to revoke his or her access to your company account. To do this, click on the Deactivate function. As a result, the user will no longer be able to select your company account and will no longer have access to the data. All former users are listed in the Deactivated Users area. If necessary, a user can be reactivated. The colleague will get access to your company account again. Thank you for your interest.